Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Bake with Khushi. The festive season is nearby and I thought of making some starters. Today I'm going to be making these baked potato wedges. These are very easy and very healthy. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, for this I have taken only one potato. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these potatoes with the peel like this. Just make sure that your potatoes are thoroughly washed. After cutting all my slices as thick wedges like this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to boil these potatoes. But before boiling them, I'm going to soak them in water for 5 minutes so that all the dirt can come out. As you move the potatoes in the water, you will see how dirty your potatoes actually were. Don't skip this step as it may be unsafe. That our potatoes have been washed, I'm going to put these potatoes in boiling water. I have boiled this water for at least 5 minutes and I'm now going to start putting all my potato slices in it like this and leave it in for another 5 minutes. And add around 1 teaspoon of salt to it. This will help soften the potatoes. Now is the time to create the coating for our potatoes. For this I've taken a big bowl like this and I'm going to be adding breadcrumbs to it. It is very easy to make breadcrumbs. Just take a bread and crush it and you'll get these crumbs. To this I'm adding salt. Salt can be according to your own taste. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you like it spicy, you can add more red chili powder to it. Some haldi or turmeric. 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of oregano. If you don't have oregano, you can also go with some dried herbs. Some people prefer adding coriander also to it, but this is completely your choice. Mix all of this really well. Once your potatoes have been boiled, you can add mayonnaise to this. I have taken 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now if you don't like mayonnaise, you can always go for some olive oil. The reason why we need to use something is so that the coating sticks to the potatoes. If you don't use either of these, the coating might start falling off. Before we start coating our potatoes, you can line your baking tray with a parchment paper. We are gonna now coat our wedges with the dry mixture that we had made earlier like this. You can see that using a spoon I am just rolling the wedges in the breadcrumbs and this is how it will stick. Don't worry if it doesn't stick completely, even that is fine. Now I'm going to repeat this with all my other wedges as well. After coating them, what I'm doing is that I'm simply just placing them on the butter paper that we had used to line our baking tray. While you're doing this, you can also now preheat your OTG or oven for 10 minutes. If you're using more than one potato, you're gonna need more crumbs. So you can take crumbs according to the number of potatoes that you have used. If you have used one potato, you can take 1 bowl of breadcrumbs. I've coated all my potatoes. This is how they look. You can see that not everything is covered up, but it is all right. They look very nice now. Now I'm gonna bake them at 180 Celsius for 10 minutes. Make sure that you don't over bake them or they might burn. Our wedges have now been baked. You can see that some of them have been a bit burnt, but that is because the coating was too much. Our potato wedges are now ready. They are so crispy and so good. Since they're baked, they're very healthy and it hardly takes any oil. I love these amazing starters. You can eat this with any dip of your choice. I have just taken our good old ketchup. Potato wedges are now ready. Hope you have a very good and a safe festival. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And until our next video, bye.